In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to discover jobs on Whatnot. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go on the site, how to open the careers portal, and the easiest way to browse and refine the roles that match what you're looking for. Start by heading to the Whatnot website in your web browser. Once the homepage loads, take a look at the left-hand side of the screen. You'll see a navigation panel there, which is the main menu for getting around the site. This is where Whatnot groups important links, so you can quickly jump to different areas without hunting through multiple pages. Within that left panel, find the link labeled Careers and select it. This opens the dedicated careers experience for Whatnot, so you can view open roles and learn more about the teams. When you click it, a new tab will open automatically. That's expected and helpful, because it keeps your original homepage available while you explore opportunities in a separate tab. In the new tab, you'll land on the careers portal. From here, look for the option that says Discover Jobs and click it. Think of Discover Jobs as your gateway to the full list of current openings. It takes you straight to the job listing, so you don't have to dig through team pages first. Once you're on the jobs page, all the available roles will appear in a clean list. Each entry typically shows the job title, the team or department, and the location or remote status, so you can quickly scan for relevance. This is your starting point to get a sense of what's open across the company. Now begin browsing. Scroll through the list at a comfortable pace and note the roles that catch your eye. As you scan, pay attention to titles and teams that align with your background or interests. If a listing looks promising, take a moment to read the brief summary so you understand the focus of the role before diving deeper. To narrow things down, apply filters as needed. Filters help you focus on what matters most, such as location, department, experience level, or job type, so you're not overwhelmed by the full catalog. Start with one or two filters to keep your results broad, then refine further if you still see too many options. Adjusting filters is a quick way to zero in on roles that truly fit your goals. That's the full process. Open Whatnot, use the left-hand panel to select careers, move to the new tab, click Discover Jobs, review the listings, and apply filters to fine-tune your search. Happy browsing, and good luck finding the right opportunity for you.